So I see these type of questions all the time, or comments here on my channel or other social media channels. I thought it was free. You said it was free. If it's not free, it's a scam, meaning that like if you have to pay for something in life, or you have to pay for a business, or if you have to pay for things, then it's a scam. Well, here's the deal, my friend, and this is what you need to understand. Like when you pay attention. So if you're with me and you feel me on that, or you just are trying to understand this, comment that down below. When you pay attention. So you pay for the things that you want, whether it be time, attention, money, things like Amazon Prime. You pay for that because you want that product or service. It's the same thing in business. Now you could go do things like ClickBank or Warrior Plus or JVZoo. You could go get a free affiliate link, but then you're giving your time and hard work away to somebody else, meaning that if you're going to go generate leads for some ClickBank offer, you're giving all of those leads away to someone else, the owner of that affiliate system. Is that really what you want to do? Because trust me when I tell you, you can go get all the free affiliate links you want at things like Warrior Plus and ClickBank and JVZoo, but you're not going to stay at it because you don't own it. You didn't put the time and attention to it. You didn't pay for it. So you're not going to feel like it's yours. You're not going to feel that ownership, versus if you actually pay for an affiliate system like ClickFunnels, or you start a network marketing business and you pay $100 to join, or whatever it is. When you pay into something, you're going to feel that ownership a lot more, versus as if someone gave it to you for free. Trust me when I tell you, you just won't. You have to feel that ownership if you want it. So when you pay for affiliate systems, whether it be ClickBank or a network marketing opportunity that you join, you now become an affiliate. You now become a distributor, and you now own your leads. So if you're using a funnel system like my team system here, if you want more info on that, link in the description down below. But if you want to pay to become an affiliate, you now own your leads. You now own your own business. And now, because you paid for something, and this is a really big thing that most of the freebie seekers do not understand. When you pay to become an affiliate for something, whether it's something like ClickFunnels, something like Go High Level, or you become part of a network marketing opportunity, once you pay to start a home-based business, you now get incredible tax advantages just for having a home-based business, where if you're just signing up for ClickBank and you don't actually pay into something, you don't have an actual home-based business because you didn't pay for it. See where we're going here? I hope this is making sense, because once you pay, now you get all of those amazing tax benefits that home-based business owners have, because you're paying for a system, you're paying for a service, you're paying for a product, you're paying for something that is now at your home, your own actual home-based business. So please understand, for all you freebie seekers out there hoping and wishing and praying that everything should be free, no. It shouldn't. And now hopefully you understand some of the reasonings behind that. So tax advantages, you own your own leads, you now have an official home-based business because you paid for it. And again, when you pay attention. So if you feel me, if you didn't comment it before, go ahead and comment that below right now. When you pay attention. And that is the name of the game, my friend. Now, do you have to pay a whole shit ton of money? No, you can get started with affiliate offers or network marketing offers for literally $20, $50, $100. It really doesn't cost a lot of money. And if you think that $100 is a lot of money, you probably need to invest in some mindset. Go work on some personal development, go read some good books, listen to some good audios, go listen to Jim Rohn. It's free right here on YouTube. You can go search Jim Rohn and go listen to him. He'll help you out. But trust me, my friends, to have an actual home-based business that you could run out of your home with all the products, services, and everything you need without having to buy anything else for about $100 is insane. Again, if you want more information on that, link in the description down below. Hope you got value from this video. Hope you have a little more understanding now, and I hope that breeze isn't too much on the microphone here. I'm just kind of walking around. This is my parents' brand new home. They just bought this, not brand new, but I mean, they just bought this down here in Myrtle Beach, and I'm helping them get set up here, but doing some work, changing out the locks and doing all kinds of fun stuff. But wanted to take a minute, talk to you guys about paying versus free, and making sure you guys know and understand the difference. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you haven't already, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you, my friend, on the next video. See you there.